Yes. Now, in case the market value of investment is more, the market value is more when the market value is more than the book value of investment. In such a case, what do? We pass these entries. The first entry will be the investment fluctuation reserve, whatever is there in the reserve, to partners market value is more. That means we are getting extra. What we had taken as investment, we had taken 2000 investment. That 2000 investment is for through 3000 now. So that extra now will be distributed by the partners through the revaluation account. We make the entry investment fluctuation reserve that was there in the investment to partners capital account. This is in the old ratio. Remember, it is always in the old ratio. Second entry, the investment to revaluation. And the third entry is revaluation to partners capital account. This also in the old ratio. This is distributed. The extra amount is distributed to the partners capital account is distributed among the partners capital account in the old ratio, and the accounting treatment of investment fluctuation is done. So we have to now take care of these things. What we did today is, what is the deal with the investment fluctuation reserve is a reserve that is created to monitor the investment, the market value of investment and the book value, to compare the book value and market value of investments. First case we did, if the book value of investment is equal to the market value of investment, then investment fluctuation reserve will be distributed among the partners in the old ratio. We distribute the entire amount of reserve in the, that means the investments, we have purchased the investments, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, जो investments हैं that have to be distributed among the partners, we always distribute that in the old ratio. Then we discussed, but in case the market value is less than the book value, हमने investments 10,000 का लिया था, but अब वो 8,000 का रह गया, that means there is a loss because of fall. Then we have to take care of, is the fall less than or more than? If the fall is less than the investment fluctuation reserve, then the investment fluctuation reserve to investment, that investment account में जाएगा difference, जितना loss है हमें, the to investment account to partners capital account, and partners capital account always in the old ratio. Then is, if the fall in the investment fluctuation reserve is equal to the investment fluctuation reserve, whatever is the fall, 2000 was the fall in the market value, in the book value, and we have that much 2000 in the investment fluctuation reserve, then the investment fluctuation reserve to investments. Third is, if the fall in the value of investment fluctuation is more than the investment fluctuation reserve, whatever we have in the investment fluctuation reserve, fall, that means loss because of fall in the value, is more than what we have, then how we will have to bear a loss. Then that loss goes to this new account called revaluation account. This account is debited in case there is a loss faced by the partner. When the partners face a loss because of fall in the value, it is debited. Revaluation account is debited, and this debited account will be borne by the partners in the old ratio. This will be borne in the partners old ratio. This is always in the old ratio. Then next thing we did, if the market value of investments is more than the book value of investments. If the market value, girls, is more than what, that means there is a profit to us. What we had invested, now the market value of that only is more. So investment fluctuation reserve to partners capital account in the old ratio. We will distribute all in the old ratio. Investments to revaluation, whatever is the difference in the value, and revaluation to partners capital account. Revaluation account to partners capital account. With partners capital, revaluation account I told you is debited. and partners capital account is credited when the partners capital account are getting something. Whenever the capital account, remember capital account is a liability account, so liability account will be credited when the capitals increase. When that liability increases, the capital is a liability. When it increases, the partners get something, partners capital account will always be credited to partners capital account in the old ratio. And the treatment of investment fluctuation reserve is discussed. It is done.